Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the all new OnePlus Nord smartphone with which you get this basic transparent case, obviously for free within the box itself. At least that's what we got in our reviewers edition package, and I presume that the brand would be shipping these boxes with these kind of basic TPU cases which offer you a decent kind of protection. As you can see, I've already started accumulating some dust on these, and these are okay if you don't want to spend some extra money, and they help you from some basic drops like these, and you wouldn't notice any kind of actual scratches on your phone, so that's good. But then OnePlus had also sent us some new different cases, as you can see, and we have three different color variants. Let me just show them to you in clear detail. So first one what we have here is the Sandstone bumper case. Again, this is the Sandstone black color variant, and this does look very premium. This reminds me of the OnePlus One smartphone, which I already have with me, and this does look like that one. At least the name looks like Sandstone One. Following that, we have the clear bumper case, which might be similar to the clear case which we have here, and it does look similar to obviously the clear case, but then we'll just check that out. And then finally we also have this Nord blue, which is similar to the name of this color variant, and this is also in blue color, and this is how it looks like. So let me just first open up these packages, and first thing first, let me just open up the Sandstone variant because I'm a little bit excited about this specific variant. And yes, this does look and feel pretty different. It's actually a hard case. As you can see here, it does reflect based on the correct lighting position, and does look cool. Very minimal, I would say, and a very good build, and it has a mention of design by OnePlus, though this might not be visible generally, and that's a good thing. Very small element, but these things matter. Most brands would just stick this on the back and have all of their branding here, but that's very minimally done here. And let me just place it over this simple transparent case and take a look at this. This is how it looks on the regular blue color variant phone. The blue comes out through this whole black color sandstone theme, and this is how the phone looks like. Does feel a little different, does not slip now as much as we generally do it without the case. So this is how it looks like. This is the sandstone black color variant. Following this, now let's take a look at the second box, which is the clear bumper case, which I have it with me here. And once we open this up, here we go. This is how the clear case looks like. Again, do make a note that this is definitely different from what we get for free. Obviously what you get for free is of free quality, except for the giveaways which we do. They are of good quality products. Anyway, jokes apart, this is how it looks like. This is a simple TPU case. This is a little hard plastic, and this does bend to some extent, but I don't want to do a actual durability test and break it up. But this is how it looks like. This also obviously offers you with good protection. I would say far more better good protection than the standard one. So this and does look very premium. That's what also I could say about this specific case. So let's put this also on the side. Now take a look at the final case, which is this Nord blue color variant, and here we go. Let me pull this out, and boy, this looks really refreshing. I mean, a brand new different color than we have already seen, and this is how it looks like. Very cool looking, very interesting looking case in my opinion, and this is how it looks like. Again, let me just place the phone in this. Now this is like men in blue, blue in blue phone. Obviously the color of the phone does not look any different because it has completely hidden behind this case, but then this also has the same finish as the sandstone black, so that's the texture which you can physically feel when you use it. So in case you would like to buy these, let me just quickly take a look at the pricing, if it's clearly mentioned anywhere on these boxes. As far as I can see, it's not mentioned, and I guess you can check out the description area to know more regarding the pricing of this product, because I won't be able to comment on the pricing at the moment, but then you can check out more details in the description area. But then these are three different cases which OnePlus has offered us, and Again, these are all the three different varieties which you get along with the default one. Again, if you are someone who uses a case and who would like to have a different case, then these are the three different options. While if you are someone who does not want to spend additional money, then of course you can go with the basic free case which you get with the phone itself, and that looks something like this. Again, this was a clear-cut comparison of all the three cases which you get from OnePlus, and compared with the basic TPU case which you get with the Nord smartphone. This was a clear-cut comparison. If you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phonera for more videos like this. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.